Before starting our today's video, I would like to request all my viewers to subscribe my channel and like my video, and do not forget to comment in the comment box below. Thank you. Hello everyone, it's me Siddhant, and today I'm going to tell you that how we can make a stunning thumbnail for our YouTube video for free. All the steps shown in this video can be followed both in phone and laptop. So today I'm going to tell you that how I made this thumbnail. So in this video I'm going to tell you step by step how you can make such thumbnail. This here you can see the background, the stunning, this design, and very bright picture here you can see. So now let's begin. So first step is go to your browser, and here you have to type canva.com. now first of all you have to make a account of this Canva and login. It's very easy, it's for free, you can make it. And you can go to search Canva, and here you have to type YouTube thumbnail. Thumbnail. Now here you can see the first option. Here you have to click here. Now Canva will provide you many templates. These all are free, but you have to go to here, create a blank YouTube thumbnail. Go to there, because here we are going to create our own innovative thumbnail. And now here you can go to uploads. Here you can see so many options. Now to get these all items, this background picture, this YouTube thumbnail, this 3D YouTube icon, Facebook icon, Instagram YouTube, and this laptop YouTube, all you can get for free. For this, first of all you have to subscribe my channel, because only subscribers of my channel can get these items for free. And the link in the description below, you have to click there, and from there you can easily download these items. I have kept all the links for these all items, so do not worry, you can download them for free. So here as you all saw here in my thumbnail, latest thumbnail, that here you can see the background is like brick and this dynamic color. So first of all we are going to put the background. For this we have already here this icon. Now then how you can upload? So for just putting here, you have to just you have to drag here. Now how you can do that, I am going to show you. For example, if you have to just drag your picture here, then you have to just drag from the file explorer to Canva easily, because okay, such you in this way you can do. Now so first plan your background of the thumbnail. So here I have set up the thumbnail background. Now you can here expand it. When you expand it, zooms in automatically. Now next thing you can see is here my photo, my cutout. So how you can make it? So to make a cutout, I have already uploaded a video that how you can make a cutout, or how you can remove the background of your picture for free in Paint 3D of Windows 10. So the link of that video is in the description below, so watch that and you will be able to do that. So now I am going to here put my cutout. Here you can see. Now I am going to expand it also. Now let me do this much. Now here you can see that here the outline of my cutout also here you can see. Then how I made it, let me show. You have to click here, and here you can see option of duplicate it. Here another picture. Now go to effects. Now here you have to go to photogenic and go to see all, and here now you have to go to classic. Now find classic. Now go to, now you have to go to apply. Now go to adjust. Now put it in 100 of brightness, contrast also 100, and saturation -100. Okay, do these all things. After doing these all things, what you have to do it, right click on it and go to click on the send backward. Now here when you do like this, what is that? Now here you have to make it bigger. Now you can see here the similar cutouts outline here. Now let's add this 3D YouTube icon. So for this, here you can see easily you can add. You first of all, to get this item, once again go to the link given in the description below, and for this you need to subscribe my channel, and then only you can get this item. Now next is, here you can see this in the laptop there is YouTube thumbnails. This item also you can get in from the link of the description below. Now first of all click on this. Now select this, go to effects. Canva has the capacity to change the picture's design as well as put it in another object. For this you have to use a smart mockup. Then go and you have to click on laptop 1. Here you can see laptop 1, click on that. Now after this you can see, click on laptop 1. Now held on apply, and now here you have to go to crop. Now I'm going to crop, what is crop, how much you want to crop, you can crop here, and you can hit on done. Now here you can see it has no background. We can remove its background by clicking here background remover. Just click there, and now its background is going to vanish. Now you can see here it is taking time because it is now here you can see still some of the objects of the background are not removed. For this, here we have option from Canva, erase. Click on that. Now here you can erase whatever you want of the background. This I really like. This feature of Canva is amazing. Now go to done. Now you have to click on apply. Now here expand it much. Now right click and send backward. Right click, okay, it has already sent backward. Right click on send backward. Okay, so now here you can see my photo is quite glowing here. How? Let me show you. This is because now you have to click on the image, which image you want. This image. Now go to here adjust, and here you have to little bit increase the brightness, little bit, not too much, little bit you have to increase the brightness, little bit you have to increase. So in now little bit contrast also, contrast and little bit brightness. Now our this YouTube thumbnail is, I think, almost ready. Let me show you. Now let's see our this thumbnail. We have now here completely made it here. So in this way you can make a stunning thumbnail for your YouTube video. Here you, by following some very easiest steps, you can make it. So I hope you must have liked this video and you must have enjoyed this video and learned many things from this video. So please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, and do not forget to comment in the comment box below. So thank you, thanks for watching.